Hi, this is Samuel Stewart from Honor You Memorial Products, and today's video is going to be about the Honor You app. We're going to be discussing the funeral announcements portion of the app, which is really one of the first functions that we put into the app when we designed the app over a year ago now. And one of the reasons we did that was we noticed that families were not utilizing newspapers anymore to make funeral announcements. They were posting something online or sending out emails because the cost of newspapers had gotten so high, and really newspapers aren't distributed like they used to be. So we wanted to create something that the families, as well as really funeral service providers, could create a nice funeral announcement and provide it for the family, which the families can then send out themselves via social media or email. So we came with the Honor You app, and I'm going to be following on my app right here. You can look on the screen and you'll see exactly what I'm doing here. Now, when you first go into the app, you're going to see this first screen, which is going to be shown on another video. We're going to kind of bypass that because that's one of the more recent features to it. On the bottom, you'll see online memorials. Then we're going to jump to Memorial Designer. Now, this is how Memorial Designer is, with all these different categories, from funeral announcements, thank you notices, custom templates, special occasions, and then prayer cards. And we're going to focus really on these first four because they basically have the same functionality. But we're going to look into the funeral announcements first on the top corner. So we click on funeral announcements, and what you're going to see is all the templates that we have in the system, which are basically they're free templates that's available to use right now. And you can scroll through and pick one that you like. I like this one here with all the flowers, so I'm going to pick this template here. And we're going to see a blank template, which we can, at this point, we can add a framed image if we like, framed image, and we can choose from our gallery, and we can put a picture in. Let's go, let me just search a picture that I'm going to choose this little chicken that we were selling at my church, so I have it on my iPad anyway. So with that image we have in there, we can use our finger, we can move the picture around. If we want to make it bigger to focus on the face, we can do that. We can also rotate it, just in case that picture is not exactly as we wanted the picture to be. We can rotate it and just get it just perfect. Then we can add text, basically according to how the template is. We have the title already, Honoring the Life of. So now we're going to say add text. And let's say we're going to put the name John Rooster. Okay, and I'm going to say done. And you see the text appears right in the middle. Now this font is pretty boring, so we can click on it, and you see on the bottom that there's going to be several options that are going to open up and make available to us. So we can first, let's go into the font, and we can change the font. Let's say we like this papyrus font. Change the font. Next, we can click on color, and now we can choose whichever color we want to use. So say we want a nice orange. All right, and then we can also go to size. And now we can adjust the size of this, so we can make it so it just fits. And this is the way that you can really personalize it. Now, obviously, with the text, now we can use our finger. We can move it around. If we want to say Honor the Life of John Rooster over here. So we can add that. All right, now we click off, and we can add some more text. We want to add now the service information, the date, the time, location of the funeral service. And with that, really, the announcement is going to be complete. We can, on the top right corner, you see an arrow. Once we're done with the design of it, we can actually click up there, and we can save it to our gallery, or we can share the image. And this makes it very easy for us to share it, whether through, we're going to message it to someone, we're going to email it, we're going to post it right on Facebook. There's just all the options that you have from your phone to do with this image, and with that, you're really done. So within a matter of a few minutes, you can really have an announcement, a very nice announcement done, and be able to send it to the funeral, to the family, which then the family can send on, or if you are a family member, you can create it and you can send it right on to your loved one, so you know when the service is. Now, one more feature I do want to show you, I'm sorry, there's on the bottom where we add the framed image, that will put the picture right into that framed section of every template that we have. We always have some kind of framed template area. If we want to add some other pictures, we allow for you to do that as well. We would click, hold on a second, we would click on the add image portion on the bottom right. It's going to say camera gallery, so we're going to say gallery again. And I have another wonderful picture of my chicken there from the other side, profile shot. We actually can crop it down a little bit if we want to do some manipulation before we bring it in, say done. And what it's going to do is puts it in the top corner, which we can now move around and We can rotate it, we can make it bigger or smaller. Now pictures will always show up under the words, so we'll never don't have to worry about running into a problem where you have your pictures covering up your words. And you can have, I believe it's up to 5 pictures, so 5 additional pictures. So you can really make a nice collage out of photos as well too, really to personalize so your template, so it's not just a template and the image. You can add other pictures to it as well. Same way, once you're done, you just click on top to share it, and it's really as simple as that. But the funeral announcements, let me come back. These are the funeral announcements that's available completely free to use. You can use it right now. Any one of these beautiful templates that we have in here. But I'm going to go back to where we see the different categories. And I said to you, these first 4 sections are really, these first 4 sections are basically the same. The funeral announcements, thank you notices is the same concept, but you can actually do a digital thank you notice using the templates that we have in here as well too. You just click on thank you notice, and you're going to see these are the different thank you notices that come up as well. Same concept, you add a picture and you can add text. So now some of these thank yous, you'll notice they have text in there already, so it's a poem, but we have blank thank you notices where you can put your own wording if you want, if you so choose. So that was the thank you notices. But jump to the special occasions. Special occasions, we put some special templates in there. Sometimes we notice people want to post something for someone's birthday or their anniversary, so we have these templates here. It's not really for a funeral announcement, but a special occasion. And then also, lastly, we have custom templates, which is another great feature, because all of our templates have our information on there. Have a small area where it has our website. But if you want to get your own custom template, you just have to contact us with the information that you want to put on there and how you want your template designed, and we'll make a very own custom template for you with your logo, your information, your branding on there, so that way your templates would look like no one else's. And we basically design from scratch. You just tell us maybe what colors, what concept you have for it, and send us your logo and your information, and we'll put together templates and load it into your account so that only you will see it. Now your custom templates will show up right in that custom templates tab. All right, so you can choose custom templates if you want. We have several funeral homes that have done that, so their templates are unique to them. But if you want, you're free to choose any of these funeral announcement templates that we have, which we have many templates, and we add to it pretty regularly as well too. All right, so this is the Honor You app. As I said, it's available in the Google Play Store as well as the Apple Store. It's available today. You can download it. You can use it completely free with all the features that we just showed you, unless you want to get custom templates. That's when there'll be a little bit of charge for it. Thank you for watching today, and look for the other videos we have on the app to see the very many powerful benefits or functions that we have within the app.